Hi everybody, this is Stephanie. I'm back with another bow tutorial. This one was my bow for Tweedledee and Tweedledum, but I've updated a little bit to be more for a general, just pretty fancy type of bow. So what we're going to do is I've already cut these pieces. This is glitter canvas and glitter fabric like a faux leather, and all from Hobby Lobby. And I've already cut it on my Cricut Maker, although you can also use the Cricut Explorer. And what I'm going to do now is show you how I'm going to put it together. Okay, so I really like this patterned fabric vinyl faux leather stuff. It's got this really pretty mermaid pattern to it. Okay, isn't that cute? Sparkly. So what I'm doing is just making the very simple bow. Alright, and so you just fold it over and glue at the centers. Okay, take your time to line that up. I'm being a little fast here. Okay, so that's my top bow. I'm going to make the next one. Alright, and so once you're done making all the bow pieces, then you basically just stack and glue. Alright, that's the basic premise for all of the bows. Alright. I like this one because there's a lot of different bow sizes and shapes. It's fun. Gives a little bit of visual interest. Make sure you get rid of your little glue pieces. Alright, and then this one has the half bow. So I think this is a really cool, versatile design that you can use. I think it works great for team bows, like for your kids' sports teams, right, or favorite sports teams. This would look really cute in the team colors. Alright, and that's going to go, the half will be the top and half will be the bottom to kind of make one bow. So you can kind of play around with that a little bit. And I picked these pretty kind of Eastery colors. You know, Easter's coming up and spring, and I just thought, what little girl wouldn't want some pretty little fancy bow all glittered up in pretty colors. Okay? Alright, so there's that piece. Alright, now once I've got all my bow pieces, I'm going to stack them up and then add my little center strip around everything. Alright, so here's my back, and then I'm going to build my dual color bow here. So put some glue on this back slit. Okay. Alright, and then I'm going to do this white bow in the center. Alright, and then I'm going to do the mermaid bow on the top. Oh, that one didn't quite glue down. And make sure you hold it for a minute and get rid of all your little glue strings. Okay. Alright, now my mermaid piece on the top. Alright, I think it's fun, all the different sizes here, colors. Alright, and now I'm going to do my strip around the center. Okay, and then glue that on the back. Got a little bit of glue junk on here from my mat. Alright, so in order to keep my material from shifting on my mat, I do use Quilter's basting spray, and I feel like it's amazing, but it does tend to gunk up my mat a little bit, so you have to be careful. I'll have to, you know, scrape that off, but yeah, the mat is pretty gunky, but I just keep layering that stuff on to hold it down. Alright, and then look at how pretty that is. Alright, very full, fancy. Alright, I really like this one. Alright, and then I just need to add my little clip, and I buy these on Amazon. I think they're about an inch and a half, and then I like the flat side because it's better for the glue. So I'm going to put a little strip of glue here. Alright, and I'm going to just push that on, and there's our pretty little fancy bow. Alright, let me know what you think, guys. Thanks.